In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upgrade your WordPress hosting on Hostinger step by step. If your website is starting to get more visitors, loading slower than usual, or you simply want more resources like better performance, more storage, or the ability to host more sites, upgrading your hosting plan is one of the best things you can do. The good news is that Hostinger makes this process very simple, and you can upgrade your plan in just a few minutes directly from your dashboard. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can follow along easily. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and WordPress tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then click the login button and sign in using your account credentials. Once you are logged in, you will land inside your Hostinger H panel, which is the main control dashboard where you manage your hosting, domains, websites, and settings. From here, look for the section called Websites. Click on Websites to see the list of all the websites connected to your Hostinger account. If you only have one site, you will see it listed here. If you manage multiple websites, you'll see all of them displayed in this section. Next to the website you want to upgrade hosting for, click on the button labeled Dashboard. This will open the management area for that specific website where you can control WordPress settings, domains, security options, and your hosting configuration. Once you are inside the website dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. In this sidebar, find and click on the option called Hosting Plan. This section shows the details of your current hosting package, including the plan type, resources, renewal information, and upgrade options. Inside the Hosting Plan section, you'll see information about your current plan. Somewhere in this area, you will also see an option or drop-down labeled Upgrade. Go ahead and click on Upgrade to start the process of moving your website to a higher hosting plan. After clicking Upgrade, Hostinger will show you the available hosting plans that you can switch to. These plans usually include options with more storage, more performance, higher traffic capacity, and additional features depending on the package you choose. Take a moment to review the available plans and select the one that best fits your needs. For example, if your site is growing and getting more visitors, choosing a higher performance plan can improve loading speed and reliability. If you plan to host multiple websites, you may want a plan that supports more domains. Once you select the new hosting plan, the next step is to choose the subscription length. Hostinger typically offers different pricing depending on whether you select monthly, yearly, or longer subscription periods. Longer plans often come with bigger discounts, so choose the option that works best for your budget and needs. After selecting the subscription length, you will also choose your preferred payment method. Hostinger supports several payment options such as credit card, PayPal, and other payment providers depending on your region. When everything looks correct, go ahead and click the button that says Complete Upgrade Payment. This will finalize the upgrade order and start the process of updating your hosting plan. Once the payment is processed, Hostinger will automatically begin upgrading your hosting account. The process usually only takes a short time. During this period, your website typically remains online while the system applies the new hosting resources to your account. And that's it. That's how to upgrade your WordPress hosting plan on Hostinger quickly and easily. As your website grows, upgrading your hosting ensures better performance, faster loading speeds, and the ability to handle more visitors without issues. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful WordPress, website, and hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.